Hello everyone, welcome back to Cool Product. If you are searching for the best wireless mechanical keyboard that combines performance, style, and flexibility, you are in the right place. Today we have a keyboard that is perfect for both work and gaming setups. Let's get started. Let's talk about the Ala F99 wireless mechanical keyboard. This keyboard is designed for people who want smooth typing, strong performance, and the ability to connect with multiple devices easily. Whether you are working, studying, or gaming, it is built to handle everything. One of the best features of the Ala F99 wireless mechanical keyboard is its multi-device connectivity. It supports Bluetooth, wireless, and wired modes, so you can connect it to different devices and switch between them quickly. This is perfect if you use a laptop, tablet, and desktop at the same time. Another great feature is the hot swappable design. You can change the switches and keycaps without any tools or soldering. This makes it easy to customize your typing feel and keep your keyboard fresh over time. The typing experience is smooth and satisfying thanks to the pre-lubed linear switches. Every key press feels soft and responsive, which is great for both typing and gaming. It also gives a nice sound without being too loud. Gamers will love the performance features. The Ala F99 wireless mechanical keyboard supports N-key rollover, which means every key press is registered accurately, even when you press multiple keys at once. This helps during fast-paced games where timing matters. The keyboard also offers 16 RGB lighting effects. You can customize the lights to match your setup or even sync them with music for a more dynamic look. It adds personality and style to your desk. Macro customization is another useful feature. You can program keys to perform specific actions, which saves time and improves productivity. It is especially helpful for gaming or repetitive tasks. The build quality is strong and well designed. The keyboard includes multiple layers of sound dampening, which reduces noise and makes typing quieter. The silicone padding also adds comfort during long use. The compact layout keeps all essential keys while saving desk space. The double-shot keycaps are durable and resist fading, so they stay clear even after long use. Battery life is impressive with a large 8000 mAh battery. You can use it for long periods without needing to recharge often, which adds to the convenience. In real life, this keyboard makes everyday tasks easier and more enjoyable. You can switch devices, customize your setup, and enjoy smooth typing without any hassle. This keyboard is perfect for gamers, students, and professionals who want a reliable and customizable typing experience. This is the upgrade your desk deserves. Check the price link in the description and see if it fits your setup. And don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more awesome tech. See you in the next video.